just hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and what an amazing way to end the year. Today I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what my plans and goals are for 2024. So I do intend on keeping up with the tech content this year, but I would love to make an increase in quality. And what I mean by that is, one example is my most recent videos have all gone up in 4K resolution. That is a change that I intend on keeping, so all 4K videos from here on out. I would also love to add more cinematography and definitely audio elements to my videos than I've done before, just to make the vibe and the atmosphere of my videos more appealing. So as far as content goes, I actually recently did a poll on my channel asking you guys what you'd be most interested in seeing me make next year. The #1 answer was smart home. So I actually do have a video in production right now that's a smart apartment tour that should be released in very early January. You can be on the lookout for that. However, I do have a big personal goal this year, which is to start integrating more passion projects into my content. Ever since I started making videos on this channel, I've actually created a long list of video ideas that I'd love to delve into, but that I wasn't quite sure if they fit into the niche of my channel. But this year, honestly, I would just love to start being more creative and more artistic with the content I make, so I am going to be integrating more videos like that. That does not mean that I'm going to stop making the videos I have been, but more just increasing the number of videos I make so I have room to make more creative projects. For example, I actually just finished playing the game Outer Wilds and the DLC, and this game has just completely taken over my mind. I can't stop thinking about it, and the storyline and the lore is just so interesting that I think it'd be fun to do an analysis on that game and the effect that it's had on me. And that's just one example. I have a whole list of different video ideas that I'm very interested in creating this year, in addition to my normal content that I think you guys will love. That all being said, I actually have been thinking about maybe rebranding the channel a little bit and just going by Wyatt instead of WyattTech. I think it just makes a little bit more sense for the type of content I'm looking to make, and again with interacting with you guys. But that does lead me to a question which I would love to hear an answer to, which is, what do you guys want to see me make next year? Like I said, I did do a community post previously that had some options, but it was a little bit limiting doing it in that format. If you want to leave a comment on this video and let me know what you'd like to see, maybe which one of my videos you've liked the most, just so I can get an idea of what you guys would like, that would be very appreciated, and I'd love to have a conversation. Now, if you watched one of my latest videos about how much I earned in my first year on YouTube, you probably already know that that 1,000 subscriber milestone means that I can be monetized on my videos now, which I'm extremely grateful for, because that means I'm going to be one step closer to turning this into my full-time job. This is what I love to do, and I'm very grateful to have the chance to do it. If you didn't already know, I do have memberships enabled on this channel. If you're interested in supporting me that way, I'd be extremely appreciative. And I actually just launched a Patreon page, which I'll have linked in the description. Over on Patreon, I am going to make a tier that's actually for something that my wife and I have been very excited to do, which is a monthly sticker drop. I'm not sure if anyone else does that, but basically that just means that myself or my wife are going to be making original artwork every month, printing them into stickers, and then sending them out to anyone who subscribed to that tier. And that's another example of a creative project I've been interested in doing. So again, if you have any interest in that or have any other fun ideas for Patreon or memberships, please let me know. And I think that's everything I wanted to talk about. Again, I just wanted to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting the channel. And here's to a great new year. Have an amazing 2024.